On the screen, you can see the WX177L cordless drill and driver. It's an outstanding representative of Works cordless tools. Its distinguishing feature is two 6.35mm chucks. In one, you can replace the drill, while in the second, you can put bits for working with screws and other fasteners. Changing the drill chucks can be done with one hand. Is it safe? If the chuck is incorrectly positioned, the tool won't turn on. Compared to previous models, the motor of the WX177L is 10% more durable and 25% more powerful. The tool is powered by the PowerShare family of batteries found in more than 75 Works tools. It also features 2 speeds, 9+1 torque steps, and up to 1700 RPM. What more do you need to work comfortably? Only $130 to purchase this tool. This brightly colored tool is a must-have for marking wood. With Mingo, you can easily cut logs into equal lengths. It's simple to use. Just insert a can of paint and choose the right wheels. The standard one offers cuts of 15, 30, or 61 centimeters, while additional wheels provide 36, 41, and 46 centimeter cuts. Mingo is easy to use, convenient, and suitable for any weather. It's perfect for sawmill workers and homeowners who use firewood for heating. Now you can mark a 9-meter log in seconds, and a can of paint will last you about 8 kilometers. Mingo, including 1 basic and 3 additional wheels, costs $63. Have you ever seen a high-speed log sawing competition? The key to success here is the perfect sharpening of the chainsaw chain, achieved with various tools like the Schleiferlight. One competitor opted for this tool and ended up setting a world record. Priced at $216, this product more than justifies its cost by delivering exceptional performance. Firstly, it's suitable for both small chains with a pitch of 6.4 millimeters and larger options, including harvester chains. Secondly, there's no need to disassemble the chain to use it. And thirdly, the Schleiferlight operates on the principle of high speed and low pressure, ensuring that the sharpening belts last a long time. Meet Flint Spanmaster, a fantastic device that's both easy and safe to work with. It might sound a bit fancy for a wood chopper, but hey, it helps justify the $117 price tag. Plus, it's made of cast iron, ensuring it lasts a lifetime. It's designed to handle firewood up to 33 centimeters in length. Plus, it works great with spruce, pine, and birch. And here's the best part, you can easily hang it on concrete walls. The kit includes not just screws and plugs, but also a drilling template for your convenience. It's come crashing down loudly, it's best to keep your distance. That's why experts rely on Valve Remote. It's a unit that lets you control wedges remotely. It's mounted on the impact wrench, and it connects via infrared to any number of wedges. Plus, if a wedge is paired but not active, the unit won't operate, allowing the impact wrench to be safely used for other tasks. Valve Remote seamlessly works with some Milwaukee and Makita wrenches. To save customers the hassle of searching for everything separately, ready-made kits are available. For instance, you can buy the Milwaukee ONE FHIW F34 wrench with a wedge, a remote control, a charger, and a pair of batteries for about $4,000. Our selection continues with a borescope. It can be used to inspect an engine, get inside an air conditioner, and even find treasures in a siphon. The borescope consists of a flexible tube with an optical system and a unit that displays the image. This model is the Depstack DS300 SE and offers an ultra-thin 5.3mm probe as well as a 5-meter flexible tube. The image is displayed on a 4.3-inch color display. 3 levels of backlighting allow for perfect visibility. The full battery lasts 3 to 4 hours, and the device costs $56. What is this, a light? Compared to other products in our selection, you might think it's a bit underwhelming. However, the manufacturers have added several interesting features to make it stand out. A light can be easily attached to almost any surface, from a truck frame to a door. Then you can flexibly adjust it by rotating it 360 degrees and tilting it 115. Worried about a power outage? Don't be, as this light will run for up to 16 hours thanks to its built-in battery. And with a maximum brightness of 3900 lumens, it's visible even from 87 meters, so it can also be useful for drivers. You can get Coast CL40R for $100. You might not be familiar with the name Black & Decker, but this company was involved in creating the tool used to collect lunar samples during the 1971 Apollo 15 mission. And for us everyday folks, Black & Decker offers something equally intriguing. How about this 6-in-1 drill? It can also work as an impact driver, a router, a jigsaw, a sander, and an oscillating multi-tool. In all cases, the 20-volt Power Connect battery provides the power. Plus, it comes with a carrying case to hold hex keys, sanding pads, and more. The kit costs $200.